This morning I did a blow by blow of the video of how to use our makeup brushes that we are selling on our site, the different types of makeup brushes, the accessories that go with it, boom, boom, boom. In this part of the video, I'm not wearing any makeup because we're going to go blow by blow on how to use our makeup brushes sets that we have available on our website at www.krwbin.com. Some of the parts of this video will be sped up for ease of time, but we will go by step by step. Here we are applying an eyeshadow base because you want to put down a base over your eyelids before applying darker color eyeshadows, just so that you don't stain your eyelids with the color from the eyeshadow. Now we will use the second brush in our brush set, and it is a eyeshadow brush for application of your first color of your eyeshadow. So I am spraying a mist on the brush because most of your eyeshadows are loose powder, and it is easier to apply eyeshadow if the brush is damp. You don't need a lot of water, just a little mist, and you start to apply your eyeshadow. The third brush that we are using is I call it like a filler brush, where you would fill the upper lid under the eyebrow. You would fill it in with a neutral color just to get rid of the line that the first eyeshadow color made. Our next brush is to use to give your outer lid of your eyeshadow some depth so that you can kind of break up the unison of the colors on the first part of the lid. So you would use this brush to darken the outer layer of your lid to give your eyeshadow look some depth. Now you would go back in with your third brush that you used for like a highlight under the brow, and you would use that same brush to highlight the outer part of the brow under the eyebrow, excuse me. That way you can break up those lines so you don't have a straight line, and you can lighten up areas under the lid to give it more dimension. For your face, you will need a makeup sponge, which comes included in one of our kits that we have available, and you will need a face brush. We have two that we offer, one that comes in the kit and the other one is a larger version. Here we are applying our eyeliner. We are using a chubby pencil to apply our eyeliner, or you can use the thin brush that comes in the kit if you want a thinner eyeliner. We have the eyeliner that you can apply above the lashes, and then there's eyeliner that you can apply below your lashes. So you can use either the thin brush that comes in the kit, or you can purchase separately a chubby pencil. I like the chubby pencils above the eyelids to kind of give it more of a deeper dimension, more seductive dimension, because I do have larger eyes. But you can also use a thinner brush. Here I'm showing that the blackest black goes closest to the lash line, and then I will apply the brown color kind of on top of that to kind of give it more of a smoother look so that it's not so dramatic. Here we are applying mascara, which is not included in the kits. However, the mascara wand is included in some of the kits that we have available. The wand is reusable, however, you can use it once and get rid of it. And that is for people who do not like to use the brush that comes with the mascara. They would like to use something that's more disposable so that they can keep the mascara more sanitary. Some of our kits come with lashes, but none of the kits come with mascara. So you would have to purchase your mascara separately, but some of our kits do come with lashes. Now we're going to use our makeup brush, which we do use with liquid foundation. So you're able to use the straight side for the most of your face, and the pointed side will be used towards the eye, around your nose and mouth. So here we're going to spray our Fix Plus, which is the same misting spray that we use on our brushes. We're going to spray this throughout the sponge and then dip the excess water off with a paper towel. It would be easier if you just went to your bathroom and maybe wet the entire sponge and squeeze it out and then blot it dry with a towel, clean towel or a paper towel. But the key is to get your makeup sponge in a pliable way so that when you apply the foundation, the makeup sponge is not hard pressing against your face. This also helps the foundation adhere to the makeup sponge. So you just apply some makeup liquid foundation on the back of your wrist. Then you dab, 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 and then you place it by dabbing it on your face. So you do not rub your foundation into your face. It is better to dab, 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 especially if you have wrinkles in your face. It is better to dab, dab, dab your liquid foundation onto your face as opposed to brushing it onto. Now you're going to flip your sponge over to the tip, the pointed side, and this is where you're going to dab gently under the eye area. Gently. You want to be very careful, not do hard presses. This is where most of the wrinkles will be in your face. Even if you're young, it's still, you want to be very delicate near the eye area. So you dab, 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 dab around the nose area, dab around the eye area, dab everywhere around the eyebrows, anywhere that you want to have definition. But the pointed side is for your under eye area. And see how I'm just kind of smoothing that in? That's because I have a little extra eye area there. But the actual skin on my face is I'm dabbing with the pointed end. Now we are getting into the last brush in the set. It is your face powder brush. You use this for dry powders. See how you can just smooth that? That's how it's going to feel on your face. Or you can order the set with our big fluffy brush. That's our large brush, and it is a little softer. So you would want to use your dry powder or powder to liquid foundation, but you want to start with the dry powder, and this is where you would just place that over what you already used as a liquid foundation, and this sets in your look for the day. So you definitely want to use, your liquid foundation first, and then you would come in and buff in with your setting compact or your powder compact, which is also a foundation. It's just a dry foundation. The different sets are available on our website, and also our Beauty Libby cups come with a makeup and accessory option when you order. With a matte lipstick, it's like a liquid lipstick. We'll have either a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick, but you can definitely order those on our website if you would like to have the makeup accessories come with your Libby cup. And it's our Beauty Libby cup. So yes, we're showing just the different ones. And here I'm going to apply a lighter lip gloss first, and then I'm going to apply a darker one in the middle to kind of give it a little dimension. And then we'll be on to the lashes.